Sway bars, also called stabilizer or anti-roll bars, don't always get the spotlight they deserve. If they didn't exist, ride quality and handling would take a serious hit on your customers' vehicles. In this video, let's break down what sway bars do and the best practices for servicing them in your shop. When it comes to sway bar sizing, OEM engineers have a tough balancing act. Vehicles have to meet federal motor vehicle safety standards for stability. That means new vehicles can't focus solely on all-out road racing or off-road performance with large sway bars or none at all. The first thing engineers need to worry about when it comes to sway bar size is location. Sway bars work best when mounted close to the wheel, typically on the lower control arm. That way, more force can be applied to push the tire onto the road. Engineers also need to consider the roll center of the vehicle. Trucks and vans have a higher center of gravity, which means they tend to roll more. This requires stiffer bars to keep things level. Finally, there's the spring rate. If engineers want to soften the springs to improve ride comfort, they often need a stiffer sway bar to maintain the vehicle's stability. Keep in mind, it's all a matter of compromise. Too much one way and you lose performance. Too much the other and you sacrifice comfort. Sway bar technology may seem simple, but a lot can go wrong, meaning you should know how to handle these issues with them in your shop. The most common weak point is the sway bar link that connects the bar to the suspension. These can use either bushings or ball joints and will eventually wear out, especially if your customers face a lot of rough roads. The mounting bushings that secure the bar to the frame are also prone to wear, causing noise or looseness. Smaller rear sway bars can sometimes crack in the middle or on the ends, especially on older vehicles. If you're diagnosing body roll, excessive lean in corners, or strange noises coming from the suspension system, inspect the sway bar system. These systems play a big role in keeping customers safe on the road, so it's important to understand how they work and know what to look for when inspecting them. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.